Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make cell in a table the same size in Outlook. So let's started. At first open your document. Firstly, select the all table option, row and column, and going to the table style option and click for the paint table to table get right option. Okay. So again that select your all table option and click for the table style option and click for the paint table to table guide get right option. That's okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.